If you're feeling low on energy and maybe not as strong as you once was, doing this workout regularly is going to help you feel more energized, and it'll help you get stronger. And you may feel more energetic as you're doing the workout today. So we're going to do 15-minute workout. We're going to use bands for some of the exercise, and some you won't need a band. But if you don't have bands handy, then just follow along and contract that muscle that will be working, and I'll let you know what muscle that will be. Okay, so let's get started. We're going to do just a few arm circles like this. We always want to get our shoulders warmed up and ready. Swings in front and back. And then we're just going to do some kicks for our legs, just to warm up those joints. And just march. Okay, I'm going to start the timer. Okay, so the other equipment you'll need for this workout is a pillow or a ball, and you're going to put that between your legs, and we're going to work the inner thighs. So you'll want to have a pillow of some sort handy, or a cushy ball. Okay, so we're going to start with our first exercise. Is going to be and I'm going to do it this way so you can be sure to see me. We're going to do a heel touch with an opposite arm raise. And then when the foot comes back, you're going to let your arm go down. So it's like this. Okay, and we're going to do 10 on one side and 10 on the other. Ready, and go. And switch. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 10. Very good. Okay, so if you have a band, I'd like you to hook it around a strong leg or something. And if you're able to stand, go ahead and stand and do your back rows. So I have a hook right here, and I'm just going to do it sitting. And then you're just going to row like this. So if you don't have a band, just pull your arms back, squeeze those shoulder blades together, and pretend that you are pulling a band. You want to keep your chest up and make sure you're pulling with your back and not your biceps. Okay, great job. So our next exercise is going to be a chop, but we're going to go low to high instead of high to low. So just go ahead and hold your band here, and then you're going to go up like that. So your arm stays straight and you pull it up. Ready, and go. 1, 2. And you're twisting from the waist. 10. And let's do the other side. 2. So I'm kind of pulling with this arm here. All right, how is that? Very good. Okay, so next is our inner thigh squeezes. We're gonna let our arms relax. So grab your pillow or whatever you have. And then our last reps, our last 5 reps, we're gonna pulse it. So you're not gonna go out as far. You're gonna keep it kind of tight, and you're gonna pulse it and really work those muscles. So on this one, we're working our outside glutes, right in here. Okay, so go ahead and you're gonna squeeze, push your knees in together and feel those glutes activate, and then relax. 2, 3, 10. Now we're going to pulse 5 more. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. All right, that was a good one. Okay, so next, this is our exercise that's going to help with our energy. And so you're going to twist and punch, come back, the other side. And just pretend you're reaching to the side. 1. It's a little bit faster, so try to go at a good speed. And we're going to do 20. 20. All right, good job. Now we're going to do a band, and we're going to do a tricep extension. So if you don't have a band, you're just going to go up like this and squeeze that arm and just pretend that you're contracting here. So make a fist, because that'll help you contract that muscle. And then if you have a band, then you're going to hold it behind you like this. And I like to hold the band and not the handle on this exercise. And I know some of you can't go back this far, so go back as far as you can. And then you're just going to bend at the elbow and straighten. And focus on that tricep. If you need to stop before 10 on any of the exercises, don't feel bad, just do what you can. And when you start doing these workouts more often, then you're going to get stronger and you'll be able to do more reps. And 10. All right, very good. I want to thank all my subscribers, and I want to thank you for liking the videos. I really appreciate that. That really helps me grow as a channel. Hit that chest. So I'm going to turn my chair a little bit so you can see. And if you have a chair like this and you do have a band, I want you to put it around the chair like this if you can. And then you can sit back farther, which will make it easier, closer to the back of the chair, or come up away from that, and that'll make it more resistance for you. So you're gonna hold your arms like this, try not to be like this, try to have them up. And then what happens with some of my clients that are learning the exercise, they go like this. So their arms the elbows are going more straight. Keep those elbows really bent and keep your arms right here. And then you're gonna press forward, just like that. Elbows come back and bend, and then they go straight. Okay, I think that's good. All right, good job. Okay, we're gonna do a leg curl, and we're gonna try to work that hamstring. So what I want you to do is come to the edge of your chair, put your leg out, and I want you to squeeze this part here. I want you to think about that muscle. And when you think about a muscle, it's going to help you connect with it and work it. And then you'll be able to feel it engage. Now the other muscle that's really working, because it's stabilizing the leg, is your quad. So if that becomes too hard, just let it go down to the floor, your foot, and just let it relax, kind of shake it out, and then pick it up again and do a few more. If you just can't, no worries, you'll get stronger. Okay, other side. And contract, squeeze that muscle right here. And you want to keep your foot flexed, that'll help. One more, you got it. Okay, very good. We have just a few more minutes. Go ahead and do the heel touch and arm press. So heel touch, arm press, and back. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And other side. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay, great. Take a deep breath. All right. And then let's do the inner thigh squeezes with our pillow, because I know everybody's got a pillow. Come to the edge of your chair a little bit. We're gonna do 10 and 5 pulses. Okay, ready? Go. Squeeze. 1, 2. This is 10. Now we're going to pulse 5 times. 1. All right, very good. And think about that chest. I want to encourage you to save this video so you can watch it and do this workout 3 times a week. And I also want to encourage you to get bands and or hooks if you don't have them. And I have some recommendations in the descriptions below. Okay, have a great day, and I'll see you in the next workout.